Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can remove apps. Check that no device administrator is enforcing Google App retention, and backup contacts or files now so nothing is lost. Once done, open Settings, then Apps or Apps and Notifications. Make sure you view System Apps if needed. You will act on the first Google app listed. Tap it to reveal options. This step prepares you to safely disable or uninstall while preserving data and avoiding sudden permission issues later. You now handle the core removal actions. First, clear cache and data under storage to avoid leftover files, then tap Uninstall if available. If the option is grayed out, choose Disable and force Stop. This prevents the app from running and removes it from the launcher. Make sure to read warnings about dependent services because disabling one Google app can impact others. Once you finish one app, move systematically through the list until all targeted Google apps are disabled or removed. To finish, reboot your device so system services refresh and orphan processes stop. You should then verify core functionality. If something critical fails, re-enable the specific Google app in settings rather than leaving it disabled. If the Play Store or account sync shows issues, clear their cache or sign out and sign back in to refresh tokens. One troubleshooting tip: if an app won't uninstall, remove its Google account, then try again. This often clears account-level locks preventing removal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.